Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. So let's get started. So if you want to delete conversations from both sides, so you are chatting to a person and you want to delete the message that you have sent to that person from their device and also from your device. So to do that, what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp, and now if you'll just select chat and then send this message. And after sending your messages, what you can do is just simply tap and hold on to that message, and then tap on this delete icon or the trash bin icon you can find in the top of your screen. Just tap on it and then tap on everyone, so you can do the same with some other messages that you have sent. And now what will happen is the message will be deleted from your device and also will be deleted from that person that you have sent to. So that's it guys, it is how to delete conversations on WhatsApp from both sides. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.